backsplash ideas for white kitchen cabinets. There's a lot of great options here when it comes to backsplash, and pairing that with your white cabinets kind of depends on that style you're going for, of course. So you can use the countertop as your backsplash and have that kind of carry up. That looks really beautiful with white cabinets too, if it's the white marble or different types of countertop, white with some different veining in there to maybe give that a little bit of that unexpected feel or pop of, whether there's a little beige or gold or the gray tone as you see, can still make that really interesting. And then there's, of course, all the options that tile brings. So you've got your classic subway tiles that we still love. You can do marble, glass, ceramic, or you can do more of a textured, unexpected choice with your white tile, or give it a little color and pattern. It's really going to come down to that client's style, and we always want to make sure we go with a really high quality product that will last. You also think about like those grout colors, how that impacts. That does make a difference with what kind of tile you choose. The backsplash is just such a fun piece of this process that you want to love. And when it comes to that grout, like, do you want that white to where you can't really, it blends just so perfectly with the other tiles, or something a little darker just to give it again, a little more interesting feel. These are things that you just can't go wrong, but we definitely will guide you with our expertise. We have a beautiful tile selection here at our showroom, and countertops too, to make it perfect for your space.